Good afternoon all of you. Now today we'll study exponential and logarithmic function. These are very easy and very important functions. Now the results to be used. Three results you should know, that d by dx of e to the power x. E to the power x means the exponential function. D by dx of e to the power x is e to the power x. Then d by dx of a to the power x is a to the power x into log a. And d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Now based on this exercise 5.4 question number 1. We have to differentiate e to the power x upon sin x. So I will assume this term as y. So derivative of y will be dy by dx. Now here I will apply the quotient rule. Square of the denominator as it is d by dx of numerator, that is e to the power x, minus the numerator as it is d by dx of denominator, that is sin x. So sin x as it is d by dx of e to the power x is e to the power x minus e to the power x as it is, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is the answer. Similarly, second is e to the power sine inverse x. So I have taken it as y. So dy by dx will be, now e to the power x differentiation is e to the power x only. So e to the power sine inverse x will be e to the power sine inverse x, and then we will differentiate this sine inverse x also by chain rule. That is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. Same way we have e to the power x cube. So dy by dx will be e to the power x cube, and then we'll differentiate x cube, that is 3x square. Then fourth part is sine tan inverse e to the power minus x. So first we'll differentiate sine theta. This will act as theta. So sine of theta will be cos of theta. Then we'll differentiate tan inverse e to the power minus x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square. Then we'll differentiate e to the power minus x, that is e to the power minus x. And at the end, we'll differentiate this minus x also, that is minus 1. So the answer is minus times cos tan inverse e minus x upon this. Then moving on to question number 5, y equal to log cos ex. So first we'll differentiate log, then cos, then ex. So log x is 1 by x, then cos ex is minus sin ex, and then ex is ex. So this is the answer. Sin upon cos I have written 10 ex, minus sign at the front. Then question number 6 is e to the power x square, x cube, x4 and x5. So e to the power x will be e to the power x, ex square will be ex square into 2x, it will be ex cube into 3x square, ex4 into 4x cube, ex5 into 5x4. Then this y equal to under root of e to the power root x. Now you should know this result, that d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this value will act as x, complete value. So root x is 1 by 2 root x. Then we'll differentiate e to the power root x will be e to the power root x, and at the end root x. Root x will be again 1 by 2 root x. So this is the answer. Then 8th is y equal to log of log x. So first we'll differentiate this log and then this. So log of log x will be first 1 by log x, and then we'll differentiate this log x also, that is 1 by x. So this is the answer. Then 9th is y equal to cos x upon log x. So this is this u upon v form. So we'll apply the quotient rule. Square of the denominator as it is d by dx of cos will be minus sign, then minus cos as it is d by dx of log x will be 1 by x. And similarly, last question, question number 10, y equal to cos bracket log x plus e to the power x. So cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Then we'll differentiate this theta also. Log x will be 1 by x plus as it is e to the power x will be e to the power x. So these are exponential and logarithmic differentiation.